Are you ready? Are you ready? Do you want to do this? Let's do it. Today I want to push it to the limit with with what? I got 5650. Dude, this theoretically, I don't even know if this GPU can do the game, seriously. I left everything on low, as low as possible, but I have any doubt that this video card can actually do something, seriously. Custom DirectX 12, DirectX 11, graphics quality, geometry high, low. CPU load, minor. GPU load, minor. Repeat after me. London. What you playing? London.
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 What a town.
London.
History around every corner and a tourist photographing it. Pubs serving up a pint and a smile. All that music, theatre and art. And multiculturalism. And the world's oldest underground, the Tube. The class of cities, really. Top shelf stuff. Only took 12,000 years to build it up and one night to tear it all down.
There's always a professional here. Intriguing. Dalton.
What's our status?
Perimeter security's down, but plenty of your flying friends about.
Fucking hell.
Dalton, no time to waste.
Dalton.
Yes, ma'am.
To the authorities,
That's rich, Bagley. The government would sooner arrest us for trying to help than actually do something useful.
Let us sort this one on our own.
Carefully, Dalton.
Bagley, are you detecting a little worry in Sabine's voice?
brilliant. Asking the computer about feelings. This explains so much.
Shut it, you two, and get to work.
Shut it. Oh,
There she is.
so British. Shut it. Alright. I'm playing Legion. Look at the spikes. Look at the spikes. Hey, hey, GPU. Shut it. Alright. Oh. Holy
That
shit.
hurt you more than it hurt me.
Alright.
Do us a favor and keep it quiet, Dalton.
Okay, Dalton, listen, Dalton. I got 37 FPS. It's very concerning because I do understand it's got like RTX technology and DLSS. It's got DLSS. Yeah, I understand, but do understand. All right, so what do I need to look after? First off, I'm very interested on how he's working with this R7 360, you know, because you got Watch Dogs and everybody will point the fingers to GTA, you know, everybody will do that. With the R7 it was running really nice. Well, I understand, you know, but this is Watch Dog and it's got DLSS. Physical. What's he doing? Dalton, you're very, very, very Dalton. Very good. That's sick as fuck.
They've got loads of DedSec gear down here. Now, why do you suppose that is?
What? How did they get their hands on it?
I don't know.
I don't know.
But someone wants to make it look like DedSec was here.
Shit. You need to proceed with extreme caution.
Alright, so how we're doing? Look at the GPU, 100,
Who are
100%.
these men in black anyway?
Nothing identifying. I suspect that's by design.
Here comes the... No, I changed my mind. Okay.
Oh, fuck me.
Fuck
The
me.
entire place is rigged to blow.
Jesus, those canisters.
Alright,
Bagley, is
alright.
that...
RDX nitrogen. Enough to level Parliament.
Can you locate a detonator, Bagley?
Not exactly, but there's a device streaming a fuckload of encrypted data from the floor above you.
Yeah, that's the bell. On my way.
Did I said fuckload? What the? That was
propaganda all around the bombs. These pricks are going to blow up Parliament and hang it on us.
Not if you get to that detonator first.
Give me the detonator. Alright, how we doing? We're doing okay. You know, I really like how it's working with 1080p, but I do want to see other resolution like 900p. So on 900p, leaving it like this, see, almost dropped on the VRAM that is recommended. Is even either way, it says 1.8 up. See, 1.8. Let's apply it and see how it's running. I managed to crack 30 FPS, but I don't think, you know. 46. This is a huge improvement. Holy smoke. 46. Yes. Get a kick. Yes. Attaboy.
Right in the House of Commons. Whoever these men in black are, they've got brass bollocks to set up in the centre of government.
Look at it. Can you interact with it?
I found the detonator. And it's definitely live. Bagley, I'm gonna need some help with this.
Yes, you are, but sadly I'm locked out.
Fuck. Well, we don't have a chance without Bagley.
Wait, I might know a workaround. We trained your manual overrides at MI5.
You're full of surprises. Be quick about it.
All right, Bagley, do your thing.
I'm in. And the bombs have just armed themselves. Well, that may complicate matters.
Fuck's sake. Can you defuse them or not?
Of course I can, but I might also trip another failsafe and vaporize you, so fair warning.
Expect this to draw some attention your way, Dalton.
Oh, I'm counting on it.
Company at our back door. Dalton, we've got some heat here at HQ.
How long's this gonna take, Bagley?
Depends how often you interrupt me with questions.
All right, everyone. Faces on, guns out. It's about to get real.
Of course.
Fuck.
This is just a setup, boy.
They're on me. I'll try and hold them off.
Alright. 900p. Gimme.
Eyes open. They could be anywhere.
Bagley, update.
Let's just say I'm both impressed and annoyed by how sophisticated this anti-tamper security is. Still working.
Bagley, tell me you're close.
I'm through security, now wading through terabytes of decoy code looking for the detonation sequence.
Suspect has opened fire. I'm hit.
Dalton. I need your physical appendages now.
What's wrong?
There are 3 slots on the left. One of them is the receiver. You need to pull the controller wire.
Are you fucking kidding me?
No, I'm fucking not. Pull the wire.
If this gets me blown up...
Bombs defused. See? That wasn't so bad, was it?
Bagley, you bastard. You're gonna give me a bloody heart attack then. Whoa, what the fuck am I looking at?
It appears Parliament is not the only target. More bombs are going live as we speak.
On screen, Bagley.
Now we need to get the word out. Those sites need to be evacuated.
They're spread out all over London. There isn't any time.
But my sister's at the town conference. We have to do something.
I picked up a transmitter on the roof that is sending out a signal to the other bomb sites. If you can reach it...
I can shut it all down.
Shit.
Sabine?
Fuck! Dalton, we're breached! Go! The roof!
Quite nice. Okay, so 900p proved to be fantastically right, alright, on the decision that the game is running perfectly with that. You know, listen, 900p was good. Now, I think 720p for this GPU is golden. Right, I cannot take more stuff from there, only... I should say, I cannot lower more stuff only if I put the render scale down. Alright, nice gun. Give me some ammo. Alright, ooh. So, where do I go from?
What's going on?
We're being raided. It's a bloodbath. Her protocol is to wipe everything, including Bagley.
I need him for the transmitter.
I know, but if they get him, they get everything. Names, ops, locations.
Shit.
Okay, I'll do it the old-fashioned way. Wipe him.
Yes, wipe me.
Do it, Sabine, and get the hell out of there.
Fuck. Okay, Bagley's down. You're on your own. Dalton, if this goes...
It won't. I'll see you at the rally point. I promise.
So, what? How the fuck do I? It's locked. Holy mother of sweet baby Jesus. Why don't you shoot? Shit. Alright, let's go. I'm nearly on unloading the load from the GPU.
Okay. Bingo.
Well done. Dalton will
Holy shit.
Fuck are you?
Oh, you still think you're here to save London? I'm afraid that's not going to happen. You're here to help us with some important work.
Important work. Killing thousands of...
Exactly. To save the world. You do know Londoners have died before, hmm? The plague, the Great Fire, the Blitz. There's not much fun. But destruction is always the cure. And it begins today. 0 day. It's time for a hard reset.
Oh my god.
Yeah, fucking chaos. Look at the chaos in the city.
Glad to see you're alive. If you're still committed to the cause, DedSec needs you. I'll send you the coordinates to our last safe house. Meet me there.
Nice, nice, nice. Okay, so I got some really not decent FPS. Okay, so listen, I thought we have the deal, so don't give me copyright. Gameplay. Audio and language. Music. Listen. We have to be a friend, yeah. Alright, so on city. Holy my, I barely have 30 FPS in the city. So, that because it was on a mission, yeah? So 40 FPS, 30. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm from Europe, you know. I almost forgot. I forgot it's on the left side of the... Yeah. Man, the drifting is cool. Alright, 30 FPS. The FPS is not that bad, you know. But I was totally expecting some nice FPS from it. Let's do a recap on the resolution. Go back on 900p. I think the resolution or not the same now. As soon as you went on the real world, we're like, yeah, no, my friend, you cannot. Okay, let's see. Oh, though it looks good. 30 FPS. No, that's my left side driving. Oh, 25 FPS. It feels very cinematic. What frame do you play Watch Dogs? Yeah, no, I'm not telling you. I'll send you the files with the pictures. Alright, look at the spikes. Oh no, ow. 900p is, oh my god, it's so horrible. I don't even wanna be here. But just for the memes, I put it on 1080p. Yeah, I wanna keep it. Yeah, why not? Okay, so the GPU 20. Oh, when I played in the mission, I was like, yes, R7, yes, budget GPU. Can I hack you? No, apparently I cannot hack you. Ow. Yeah, I blame the FPS. Oh, I know the GPU can run on 720p. Maybe in the lowest resolution will be ideal, you know. There's a couple of GPUs that I really want to go on low details, but that's it. There's nothing you can do with this GPU on 1080p. On 900p, maybe that's the limit, 900p, but that's it. If you ask me, 720p would be ideal and some 90% I think render scale, but actually, listen, no. The problem is when the problem will be when Legion will come online. I can guarantee you that will be a big problem in 2020 December. Until then, make sure you smash that like button, and I'll see you very soon. Be safe. Bye bye.